Let's talk about making some money on YouTube. So I got 45,000 views on this video on one of my channels, and I got 500,000 views on this video on another one of my channels. Which one made more money?
Show me the money!
In this video, I'm gonna talk about how I got these crazy amounts of views on my videos, the niches that each of these videos are in, and then I'm gonna reveal the CPMs for each video. And at the end, I'm gonna show you how much YouTube paid me for 45,000 views on one video and 500,000 views on another video. Stick around. Hey, what's going on? I hope you're having a great day, and I really want to thank you for clicking on my video. Before we start, I want to talk about two things. The first thing is, if you're wondering how much YouTube pays you for tens of thousands or hundreds of thousands of views, stick around for the entire video. I'm going to talk about the niches for each video, how much YouTube pays for those niches, and I'm going to suggest a couple other niches that will get you high CPMs and get you more money per thousand views on YouTube. Number two, I cannot reveal what channels these YouTube videos are on. They are faceless YouTube channels that I run, and if I were to show you what channels they are, you're probably gonna get curious, you're probably gonna go to those channels, and you're probably gonna browse through the videos and not click on a single one. That's gonna mess with my click-through rate, and that's how YouTube's algorithm chooses if they're gonna show videos to more and more new users or new viewers. I don't want you to mess with that, and also they're not in niches that you're probably interested in. If you're watching this video right now, you're probably not interested in these types of videos that I'm making. I don't want you to click on a video, watch like 10 seconds of it, and click off. That's gonna hurt me as well. Now that we got those two things out of the way, let's get into it. I'm actually very excited for this video. This is something I've done for the last 3 years, and something that is still successful right now. Like, even if you got started today, this is something that you can do to make money on the side if you work at 9 to 5 like I do, or if you just want to make extra money. It's something that you can do. So I'm excited about this topic, and I'm excited to show you this video right now. So let's get started with the crazy amounts of views that I've gotten with these two videos and all of my other videos on these channels. The way that I get crazy amounts of views and the tens and hundreds of thousands and even a million on one of my channels is I go out and I find questions that are being asked within the specific topic or specific niche of that channel. So I'm gonna hop on the computer and show you exactly what I'm talking about. So let's say you have a channel in the beauty niche. If you go into YouTube and you hit the search bar and you just start typing what kind of makeup, what YouTube's gonna do is suggest a couple searches for what kind of makeup ... So the way that YouTube comes up with these suggestions is based on the amount of times that those questions or those searches are being searched for. So what kind of makeup to buy for beginners? What kind of makeup do guys like? What kind of makeup to use? What kind of makeup brushes to use? What kind of makeup suits me? What kind of makeup to use for oily skin? So it goes on, and you can go down and you can even type in longer tail keywords or longer tail searches to get more specific. But what I do for all of my channels is I do that daily, where I will find questions being asked within those particular niches, questions that I can answer and create content on, and that's how I get the crazy amounts of views, because people are searching for those keywords. And so when they search for those keywords and my content is around those keywords or those questions, I'm gonna get more views. It's just how the YouTube algorithm works. So both of the videos that I'm gonna reveal in this video are answering particular questions that are being asked, and those questions are being asked frequently. Both of these videos are evergreen videos. So what is evergreen? Evergreen is content that's gonna be relevant for time to come. It's gonna always be relevant. So these videos answer questions that aren't just gonna be asked in the short term, but they're gonna be asked in the long term for years and years to come. So if you wanna see these kind of view numbers, or you wanna see these kind of results that I'm gonna reveal in the end of this video, you're gonna wanna find questions that are being asked within your specific niche right now in 2021, but will likely be asked in 2030. So I've said niche a lot. Niche. So what niche are these videos in? We'll start with the 45,000 view video. Now that video is in the self-development, self-help, motivation niche. That particular video answers a very important question that is constantly being searched for, and that question is how to improve self-discipline. So this video was out for, I think it was nearly 4 months or so, with very little views, but then out of nowhere, the algorithm picked it up and it shot up to thousands of views per day. day it ranked within the top 5 of that keyword. And so people searching for that question then saw that video and the views just went up and up and up and up and up. And that video is also around an hour long with nearly 45% average view duration. So people are clicking on that video and people are watching it for a long period of time, which is something that YouTube really likes. Now let's talk about the 500,000 view video. Now that video is in the video game niche. That video is only about 4 to 6 minutes long, somewhere in that range, and it's answering a specific question about how to get more of the in-game currency that this particular video game that I'm talking about has. This is actually a question that is asked almost 500,000 times per month and has consistently been asked for the last 2 to 3 years, that many times. And it looks as if the searches are going up and up as the game's popularity goes up and up. So this is again an example of evergreen content. That video ranked pretty high for that search keyword. At one point it was getting like 10 to 20,000 views a day. So let's hop back onto my computer and I'm gonna show you the CPMs, the cost per milli, the amount that YouTube pays per 1,000 views on each of these videos, although they take like 45% of it. I'm gonna start with the 500,000 view video. I released this video in March of 2020, $0. I actually wasn't monetized on this channel, so I think that this is the first day of monetization right here, May 14th. The CPM on that first day of getting paid was around $3.50, and it kind of hovered around there. It popped up a little bit to $5. So it's kind of hovering around that $3.50, $4 range. It would go up to $5 every once in a while, $6 every once in a while. We had a $7 day. Okay, that's sweet. This is not the amount I was making every day. This is the amount that YouTube was paying per 1,000 views every day. So some days I was getting 10,000 views. Some days I was getting 20. Some days I was getting 2, 3. It kind of varied. Oh, we had a $10 day. That's sweet. So over time, the playback-based CPM was around $4 for the video that I got 500,000 views on and continue to get views on today. The RPM is actually how much I received per 1,000 views once YouTube takes their cut. So the RPM kind of, fluctuates. It's a little less than the CPM. It's apparently like 55% of your CPM. Looks a little less than that to me, but either way. That's the 500,000 view video. So this video, which I got 45,000 views, I released that in June of 2020. As time went on, it finally began to rank and I was getting some views here. So let's check it out. So the first day that I started getting some views on this video, and I think I got monetized this day for this channel, $36 CPM, $65. So as you can see, how much I was making per 1,000 views on this video was way higher than the other one, like 10 to 20 times higher. We're gonna go on and on. I have no clue what happened here, I'm gonna be honest with you, but something happened where I was not getting the views that I then started getting again, which we fluctuate here from anywhere from 30 to, 79. So it just fluctuates. There's some weird stuff going on. I don't know, it's like ranking and then it's not ranking and I'm getting views and I'm not getting views. I didn't know what was happening, but regardless, let's check out the CPM. So the CPM here is $51.51, which is way higher than the other video. The RPM, how much I actually get per 1,000 views, was way higher as well, almost 15 times higher. So if you can see here, this is how much per 1,000 views I was actually receiving after YouTube took its cut. All right, at this point, I know you're like, dude,
Show me the money!
and some of you might have done the math already. If you got it like that, more power to you. But I'm gonna hop on the computer and just reveal how much I made from each video. All right, so we're gonna start with the 45,000 view video. Let's hop over here. This is the total estimated revenue tab right there. So this is how much money I actually made from this video. First day, 23. Second day, 122, 184. So it's just going up and up as views are coming in. And it finally plateaus a little bit at like 600. And so it's kind of settled there. It gets some views now, but it's not ranking as high as it once was. So overall, what I've made from this video is $641.13. cents. That's off of 45.8 thousand views. We got 11.3 thousand watch hours and almost 500 subscribers from there. And again, that's how much money I made from that video. So let's hop on to the 500,000 view video. Let's see, first day, 3 cents. Okay. So then it kind of went up a little bit, making a couple dollars a day on that, and every day just a couple more dollars. It was ranking, views were going up, they're still going up, 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 keep going up, and I'm scrolling over and we're going up and we're going up. Okay, you're probably tired of that. Let me just show you. $920.09 is what I've made off of that video. Both of these videos are still getting views. This one is getting views at a higher rate than the other one because it's still ranked a lot higher. So let's see, since this video was published, I'm at 496,900 views. Almost the same amount of watch hours because this video is a lot shorter and people aren't staying on it as long. Gotten over 3,000 subscribers from this, and again, that $920.09. So let me give you some tips to make more money off of the thousands of views that you're getting. As you saw in the 45,000 view video, I made almost as much as I made for 500,000 views on the other video. So what were the reasons for that? The video was longer. It was nearly an hour long and people were staying on for 30 minutes or so. If you didn't know, if you were part of the YouTube partnership program, then once your videos are 8 minutes long, you can put multiple ads within the video. You can make more money off of people watching that video. The video that had 500,000 views was only around 4 or 5 minutes long, and so I wasn't able to put multiple ads within that video. Another way to get your CPM up is to stay within the niches that pay more per 1,000 views. So I'm gonna pop up a list of niches that pay the most on YouTube for you, so check those out. Those are the niches you wanna create content in if your main goal is making money on YouTube. Remember to show value, remember to answer questions in your video content on YouTube, and that's how you're gonna be successful. That's how you're gonna get the crazy amounts of views, the money. You're gonna get it all if you just answer questions that are being asked and you show value in your YouTube videos. What I want you to do is go out there, grow your YouTube channel, grow your brand, baby, get it all done, get that cash, get that money, and have a great day. Thank you again for watching.